Hello everyone, myself Vartika Singh. Our team name is Team Agro and problem statement ID is 25075 and title is Gamified Platform to Promote Sustainable Farming Practices. As we all know, farmers are the most crucial part of any country for common people's survival, but due to lack of knowledge and awareness, they are still deprived of how modern technologies can be used in farming and the government schemes they can avail. In order to overcome this issue, we have built our Navdhara app and website, which trains them in a gamified manner and helps them become a better farmer. Now, let us move on to the working of the website. Firstly, the farmer signs up with his basic credentials.
Hello, I'm AgriBot. Ask me anything about farming.
This is the homepage of our website. Now, let us ask the chatbot what we can grow in Bhagalpur.
Rice, wheat, maize, pulses, and vegetables.
Let us move on towards the My Task section. This is the My Task section. Here is the full farm view. Now, from the plus icon, we can select the crop and the area in which we want that particular crop to be grown. Now, let us try it virtually by playing the games and then execute on the real field. This is the first game in which the task is to plow the field. Rewards are earned in the games which can be redeemed in the trade section. After completing the first game, then executing it into the real field, the farmer moves on to the next task. Here is the quiz section. This is the result of the quiz, which is reflected in the reward section. Now, moving on to the reward section. Here are the rewards earned by a particular farmer. This is the report card which he can download and share it to the admin. This is the My Progress section, which shows a farmer's progress based upon his sustainability and task completion rate. This is for the last 30 days. We can check it for last 90 days. This is the badges he has earned and the streak of recent activity. Moving on further, not just growing crops is sufficient. There are many more things we need, so we have the category section which provides all the resources they need. This is the crop section in which they get the information about a particular crop, weather section in which they can see the weather of their area, soil report, most importantly the government scheme section, and this is the market price section in which the buyers enters the prices and they can compare and earn more profit. Sections like pests and diseases and transportation are also available to them and machinery and tools. Now we have the panchayat wise leaderboard. This is the leaderboard. It is shown of all the panchayats. If we want to segregate according to that Bhagalpur, we can segregate it like this. It helps to foster healthy competition among themselves to be on the top of the leaderboard, and it is also beneficial for the admin to know who is the best farmer of the particular locality. Leaderboard can be shared as well. Apart from the traditional farming practices, there are many other techniques they should know, like drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, hydroponics, etc. And this section provides information about them and implement on their fields. We have My Community section, which they can see and communicate through the people of their locality in an engaging way. Apart from growing staple crops, there are many more crops which are profitable but they don't know how to grow. Like in Bihar, we have makhana, lychee, mushrooms, etc., which can be grown.
मशरूम इंडोर परिस्थितियों में उगते हैं अंधेरा और आर्द्र वातावरण आवश्यक है। कंपोस्टेड ऑर्गेनिक सामग्री पर उगाएं। कटाई 3-4 सप्ताह में करें। नियमित पानी दें और रोग नियंत्रण के लिए सफाई रखें। मशरूम पोषण में उच्च और
Apart from the traditional practices, they should also know about organic input use, mixed cropping, and soil health management. We have built the games for that so that they could learn in an easy way. Like for mixed cropping, we have this game. Finishing it, we get to know about mixed cropping, and this is the video which they can use to learn how they can do mixed cropping. We have the 3D layout section, which is still in work, which provides the simulation of how their crops will look after a certain time. Now, this is the yield simulator, which works for the whole cropping season and gives rewards according to the details entered by the user from time to time. Through this, he can earn rewards which can be accessed in the reward section. This is all about our website through which they can learn and be a better farmer. Thank you.